Thutha wa mubango wa gutheria njuu inya irire mucii wa Nairobi kurugurio muthenya wa ira gwatinda mihang'o hũgũrũrũ-inĩ cia ruui rwa Nairobi nyeki igĩtũgũtwo namo mawira maria marĩ mita 6 miena yerĩ kuma ruui-inĩ rũrũ mwena wa Ngirogoni makieherio. Minister wa maria maturigiciirie Keriako Tobiko na murunawe wa ukuui na waaki James Macharia makiuga utheria wa ruui rũrũ niuguthii nambere thengia ya governor wa Nairobi kwaga kunyitanĩra nao.
We were supposed to have been joined this evening by the governor of the Nairobi county. He had confirmed, including as late as before lunchtime, that he will be joining us. And just as we arrived at the site, we got the disappointing news that he was not able to make it for the reasons, according to him, that the ground is hostile. We have traversed ourselves, we have walked with you, we haven't seen any hostility at all on the ground.
We cannot play politics, like my brother said, with the river, like Nairobi River. We cannot play politics because it affects the health of our people. People who have children alongside this river, they'll get diseases and so forth. And so we have to put politics aside and make sure that we actually do what is needful.
Mwena-ini wake Tobiko ni oririe Songo gutiga wira angikorwo ndekuhota gutongoria mbuto yake hari utheria uyu amu guthaitira maria maturigiciirie ni umwe wa maundu maria makoragwo rungu rwa thirikari cia kaunti.
And I would urge the county government to come out clear, because this is their devolved function. If for one reason they are unwilling, unable to discharge their functions for which they have received resources from the national government, they can do the honorable thing, resign. Or, again, transfer back the responsibility to national government and the resources that go along with it.
We cannot launch the 500,000 houses project if Nairobi River is stinking of sewer and is clogged up with garbage.
Thengia wa macio ni maugire wira uyu ni uguthii na mbere gutigira njuu cia Nairobi niciathera. Muthenya wa keri hari mubango-ini uria uraruguririo muthenya wa ira wa gutheria ruui rwa Nairobi njatukano ikiyumiria kana hihi thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi iri mubango-ini uyu na ngoro emwe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njita Kamau wa Mwangi.